Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share with you 5 quick and easy weeknight dinners that we're having this week. They are all quick, easy, delicious, so I am so excited to share these with you. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I really love sharing my quick and easy recipes with you, so hit subscribe, put a thumbs up on this video if you enjoy it, and let's get cooking. Tonight we are having some fish tacos. So I have some tilapia, which I love tilapia with fish tacos. It is so yummy. I'm seasoning it with some salt, some pepper. I'm going to add in some onion powder as well. I'm going to cook this tilapia in my air fryer just because the air fryer is so convenient to use when it is so hot out. It is really hot where we are right now. So the air fryer has just been an absolute must for us. I'm adding in a little cayenne pepper as well. Here's my air fryer. I'm going to add in my little tilapia pieces. You can use an air fryer liner if you want, but this is just a really kind of clean little dish. So I did season both sides of my tilapia with my seasoning. So I'm just going to cook this on, I use my bake setting a lot for this air fryer, like I said, because it's so hot out, I don't want to turn my oven on. So now that the tilapia is all done, I broke into some small pieces. I have it on my little street taco shells, some shredded cabbage, and this is such a quick and easy dinner. You know how much I love quick and easy dinners, and this one is so yummy, and it is on repeat during summertime in our house. I have this sriracha mayo sauce that's really yummy, so easy. I'm going to use the Crockpot for this dinner. I have 2 chicken breasts cut up into some just kind of bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add in some garlic. I have a tablespoon of minced garlic. You can use garlic from the jar or chop it up yourself. I have a jar of alfredo sauce, which I love alfredo sauce and chicken. It's such a great combo. I'm adding in Parmesan cheese as well. So this is going to be a chicken Alfredo. I'm going to add some veggies also in my crock pot. So I have half a cup of the Parmesan cheese. I'm going to give this a mix and just coat all the chicken with the Alfredo sauce. And use your favorite brand. Any brand will do, so whichever one you like the best. I have halved Brussels sprouts. I really like Brussels sprouts, and this is such an easy way to cook them. Just layer them on top of the chicken and the Alfredo sauce. Season them. I have this Parmesan garlic tender seasoning that's really yummy on veggies. And I'm just going to cook this on low for about 7 hours. And then this dinner is ready to go. And I love that it has everything all in one. It has the chicken and the veggies, and you're all set. So you can give this a mix and you're ready to go. I have a side of noodles for this. You can just do a side salad if you want to keep it low carb. But this is a really easy dinner. I love this Alfredo sauce. Really great. And I've been doing this protein penne pasta a lot lately. It's by Barilla, so it's a really great pasta. So this dinner, super quick and easy, of course. I have some chopped up lettuce. So I buy lettuce every week and then I cut it up and prep it, and then I add it into my glass mason jar. So it is ready to go for salads any day or night of the week. So it's so convenient and it just makes dinners so easy. I have my grilled chicken that I always keep grilled chicken on hand as well. So this is my favorite. I love chicken Caesar salad. It is just one of my absolute go-tos. I honestly never get sick of it, and it's a perfect summertime dinner. Like I said, it has been so hot out, and the last thing I want to do is eat something really heavy and really hot. So this salad is just perfect. Adding on my croutons. I love these croutons on top, tons of flavor. And this is my favorite Caesar dressing, this Lighthouse Caesar dressing. It is like a thick, it's called dressing or spread. So it's nice and thick. I really love it. Just put a few little scoops of this and then just toss it all around and coat all the leaves. But perfect summertime dinner, really quick and easy because I always prep my lettuce and my chicken at the beginning of the week when I get my groceries. So this one is a must, definitely on repeat during the summertime. And I really love this one really all year round because it's so quick and easy. I am going to be making some Smashburgers tonight. My kids request Smashburgers just about every week. We have them about once every other week. I'm going to season up my ground beef. I have some Lowry's seasoning salt. I have some garlic powder and some onion powder as well. So I'm just going to season up the ground beef. mix it up a bit, and then I'm gonna form the beef into some round balls. So we make these Smashburgers on our Blackstone, and it is just quick, easy, and they come out so good. My kids honestly only want Smashburgers now. If we do regular burgers, they just don't think they're the same. So we are just a big Smashburger family now. So I'm just gonna roll these into some balls, about 1/4 pound. Sometimes I do weigh them out to make sure they're all the same, but sometimes I just eyeball them also. So I'm just gonna roll these into balls, and then they will be ready to go onto the Blackstone. I actually have my husband do the Blackstone cooking because it kind of intimidates me a little bit. So I always prep everything up for him, and then he's the one that actually puts them on the grill. So here's our Blackstone. We put the little balls down, and then my husband smashes it down with the little press and some parchment paper. These cook really quick. It only takes like 3 minutes maybe per side. So a super quick dinner for this. And I usually prep the burger balls ahead of time. So this is a quick dinner. Serve it with any kind of side. I'm going to serve these with a side of edamame. You can do a side salad as well. Quick and easy dinner at the table that is on repeat at our house. This is what my kids are always asking for all the time. I'm going to use my crock pot again, and I'm going to make some pork. I have this applewood bacon pork loin. So I'm going to use half of a yellow onion. I just cut it into some strips and put it on the bottom. But I have been using the crock pot a lot. I do a lot of crock pot videos to share with you guys because I think crock pot cooking is so convenient. It's so easy. There's so many things you can cook in the crock pot. And it is just honestly one of my favorite kitchen things to cook with. So I'm going to cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. And this will be ready to go at the end of the day. Minimal effort. My kitchen did not have to get heated up with the oven. Serve this with a side of rice and veggies, and you are all set. Quick, easy dinner, and delicious. I hope that you loved this week's 5 dinner recipes. They're quick, easy, really yummy. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.